Here at Form the Future, we run enterprise days at a number of schools across East Anglia. What this involves is the students, usually years 7, 8 and 9, coming up with business ideas, working with teams and then pitching those ideas to real business professionals from the community. Our business volunteers come from a very wide range of sectors. It's not just business owners, people from finance, construction, gardening, anything. Anyone can get involved and have done today.
I got involved in the Enterprise Day because I wanted to give the knowledge that I've got and to help the children that are here. It's great to see them come together as a team. You're going to get strong and quiet people, but the idea of a good team is to listen to everyone. Everyone's got a valid opinion, and just to promote them being together and ultimately then pitch and have the confidence to talk in front of others.
So what I've been doing with the students is taking them from a business idea and taking them all the way to think about all the stages. So they get the business idea, then they've got to implement a logo, then they've got to think about perhaps what their product or service is.
Thinking about who their customers are, how they're going to market it, who their competitors are, profit, price, all of these kinds of things are what we expect from these students.
A lot of the ideas were around technology, creating an app, something that can be used day-to-day life that can be controlled by an app, which was really interesting. So there was one that was like a microchip that helped the nervous system so you could walk a lot faster, and a football that didn't damage the brain cells when you headed it.
Our company is called Electrotrust and we do electrical appliances and kitchen appliances.
So our business idea is we're going to make some automatic blinds, which is a modular, so we're going to have like different blinds that can come down.
Our business plan is to bring virtual reality into an app.
Each class's winner will go after lunchtime into the hall where we have the grand finale and they'll pitch in front of the whole year group.
We are VAH, devoted to providing better lifestyles for the disadvantaged individuals.
The product is like a regular blind. The difference is that it's got a motor, an app, and is fully customisable.
Really good actually. I was actually blown away by the level of detail they put in. All of the group spoke. They'd rehearsed it a number of times. Yeah, I think they were really confident.
I have enjoyed the day and many other people have as well, and I think it's just because the business side of the day really helped and made everyone fascinated and involved into making ideas for the whole school really, and to show them off and help them in the future as well.
Quite often teachers will say to me that they're amazed at their students for getting engaged in this, and students who don't usually have engagement in the classroom will get completely involved and engrossed in this. It's a really great day because it doesn't matter how brainy you are, how brave you are, how clever you are. Every student can get involved as long as they believe in the product and have great ideas, use their imagination and work together. They can make this a reality.